We got old Tyler checking to make sure we don't have a hornet's nest in that cavity in that tree right there, because I've seen several hornets flying around out here. See what you got up there. As long as there's not any hornets coming out of it right now, I think we're okay.
Yeah, I would imagine once I heard all that, they would
heard that big bee right there.
Yeah.
We're back over here on the property where we filmed the how not to load a log video. We've got this oak with some serious wind damage to it, and it is broke out over top of a track loader. The loader's inoperable, so we're going to do a little bit of rope work and scotching to try to keep the butt of this tree from swinging down into the loader and doing further damage. So we got this rope, we got our anchor point to Tyler's truck there. That's holding support on that limb right there that's right above the loader. Then we've got the blue rope. You might can see it right there. Goes up around that crotch right there in that area, and then back down to the porter wrap. We've got two kickers also as support in case it tries to, in case it puts too much strain on that that limb up there. I'll give you a different angle out of the sun. Here we go. Got two 4x4s propping it up right there, holding it up. There's your white rope going up and over that limb right there, and then your blue rope for the butt tie. We'll have to go up there and cut that twisted mangled stuff right there, sorry, that twisted mangled stuff out after we get it to where it's kind of falling down. But you can see the blue rope comes up through that crotch and back down to the porter wrap. So we've got 4 points of support that should hold it up off of this machine. It's just barely kissing the machine right now, but we don't want to drop that big heavy butt on the machine. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, please smash that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that little bell notification so that you'll know when I post new videos. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the Dusty Ranch. Hope you enjoyed it. And until we see you next time, as always, keep it dusty.